So hi guys, now today we are going to start the lecture on the how the charge will behave if it enters into a magnetic field, right? When a charge enters in a magnetic field in the direction of the magnetic field, so what will be the effect on the charge? I think there will not be any effect on the charge. Let us suppose the charge is in the opposite direction of the field. Then also there will not be any effect on the charge, right? But as the charge enters perpendicular to the magnetic field, then we have seen that the charge will start moving in a circular motion, right? So we have seen that if the charge is inside like this, okay, right? So like this, the charge is inside. So if a charge is moving perpendicular to this like this, so it will create a circle like this, right? It will create a circle. The circle radius is, let's say, r. We have seen that r is how much, guys? mv by qb. Yes or no, guys? What is the time period, guys? Time period is how much? 2 pi r by v. That is ultimately how much? Tell me. 2 pi m by qb, right? Seconds. If I ask you what is the frequency is 1 upon t, or sometimes it is written as nu also. So what will be the frequency? That is 1 upon t, that is qb by 2 pi m. Yes, where the mass, m is the mass of the charge, v is the velocity of the particle, right? Now we have seen also that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, and we know that the momentum is p is equal to mv. We can write it like that also. So v square we can write p square by m square also. So k from here will be 1 upon 2, and it will be how much? P square by m. So it means p from here will be 2km, right? So this up to here we have seen lecture A class. Now we are going to see, guys, let us suppose one electron is there. Let's say we'll talk about electron, okay, and there is a potential difference here like this, v 0. So the potential is let's say v. Can you tell me at what acceleration it will be accelerated? I mean, what will be the kinetic energy of this particular charge? Let's say E it is. If it is accelerated between two plates having a potential difference v, so at what kinetic energy it will be accelerated? Tell me, guys. I think it is EV. So kinetic energy will be EV. Tell me, guys. Okay. In place of a charge, in place of an electron, let's accelerate a charge between two plates. Let us say potential difference is V and 0, right? Okay. So what will be the kinetic energy of that particular charge? That will be QV. If you remember, guys, for the electron the charge is E, and if it is accelerated between two plates of potential difference V, the kinetic energy of the electron will become EV, right? In the same here, if a charge is kept between the two plates, and the kinetic energy of that particular charge will become QV. So can we keep this value here? So P is equal to under root 2 in place of kinetic energy, that is QV. Okay, guys, I hope you understood this, right? Okay. So just you write this, then we will see further what we can do here. Okay, we will compare two charges also. Just first of all, you take this down. So now, guys, tell me, if P is equal to this much, so what we can write for M? We know mv is equal to P, right? For V we can write P by M. Yes or no, guys? Right? So what will be the radius value? It is mv by qb, right? So write the value of P, V here. So that is M. What is the value of V, guys? V, that is P by M Q B. So M and M will be cancelled. So what is the P? What is the value of R then? QB. P by QB. Right? Then what is the P? P, guys? This much. Or we can say like this also. Or it is root 2 km by QB. This is the radius. Or we can say this also. 2 QVM by QB. Any doubt here, guys? Tell me. Any doubt here? Okay. So let's do a question. Let's solve a question here. Okay, guys. So question is a deuteron of kinetic energy. Write down the question, guys. So now we are going to solve this question. The question is that the deuteron, one deuteron is there, the deuteron or 50 electron volt energy, right? So let's say it is like this only. So field is like this. So the question is the deuteron of kinetic energy 50 kilo electron volt is describing a circular orbit of 0.5 meters. Let's say deuteron is there, it is moving in a circular motion. Circular motion with the orbit radius is how much? 0.5 meters, 0.5 meter it is, right? Okay, and the kinetic energy is how much, guys, here? That is 50 kilo electron volt, right? He's saying now a proton is describing a circular motion with the same radius. Now let's say one proton is there. It is also moving in the same radius. Okay, radius is 0.5. Okay, now the kinetic energy we have to find. We know that that mass of proton is equal to mass of deuteron is equal to twice of mass of proton. I think all of you know this. Mass of the deuteron is twice of the mass of the proton, right? Okay. See here, radius is constant for both. So which formula we can apply here? I think this formula we can apply. This is the kinetic energy. So let's say RD is equal to RP, means the radius of the deuteron and the radius of the proton is same, right? So RD is how much? So 2K. What is the kinetic energy? That is 50. Okay. And what is the mass, guys? Let's say mass of the deuteron is 2 mp. 2 mp by charge. And we know that the charge of proton is equal to charge on the electron. And that same charge is on deuteron, right? Charge on the deuteron, charge on the proton is same, right? So now charge on the proton, now the Q is how much? E. What is the electric field, magnetic field? Magnetic field value is B here. And see, magnetic field is same for both deuteron and the proton, right? So here 2 into kinetic energy we have to find into mass of the proton mp. What is the charge? Charge is E, field is BP. E cancel, B cancel. So 2 will be cancelled, mp will be cancelled here. So I think the K will be equal to 2 into 50. It is 100 kilo electron volt. I hope it is clear for all of you guys. Is it clear for all of you? Yes. So guys, now we are going to see if a charge is projected in a magnetic field, then what will be the behavior of the charge. Let's say it is projected at some angle in a magnetic field. So how it will behave? Let's find out. So the trajectory of a charge in a magnetic field, if it is projected at an angle. Okay, guys. We'll just find out like how it will be actually. See, before going to this concept, let me remind you some small concept here. Let's say this is a full circle. Some particle move here to here, theta angle. Can you tell me how much distance it covered here? Let's say total is 2 pi r. This angle is theta. How much angle is covered? Can you tell me, guys? So sorry, how much distance is covered? I think it will be theta by 2 pi r. Sorry, 2 pi r into theta by 2 pi. This length L. How many of you know this? I think all of you understood this. Already we have discussed this one, right? Did you understand this or not? Tell me. See, if for one round, how much angle? 2 pi angle. Okay. For one round, it is taking how much angle? 2 pi angle. Right? If I take only theta, so how much length it will cover? Length will be how much? This is the total length. That is 2 pi r length. And what is the ratio of this angle to this angle? Theta to 2 pi. It is theta by 2 pi. I think all of you are aware of this, right? So shall we start? Yes. So based on this concept, let's understand if we project any charge in a particular magnetic field. Let's say magnetic field is this. So in this box, this is a magnetic field. This is going inside the plate. Let us suppose I projected some particle with some velocity. Let's say v velocity here at an angle theta. Okay. So tell me, will it be able to cover the full circle? Tell me, guys. I think it will not be able to complete a circle. So it will go like this. So we can find out the direction of the force. So this is the velocity. Where is the direction of the magnetic field? Here. So this is the force. Force will be like this. So always force will be like this, right? But surprisingly, the angle it enters in the magnetic field, at the same angle it comes out. This is good phenomena here. Like at whatever angle it comes in, at the same angle it comes out. It is called angle of emergence, right? So we have to find the time period. We have to find the time spent by the charge in the field. Okay, guys. So is it looking like it is trying to complete a circle, but it's not able to complete the circle because the field is not here. If field is also here, it can complete its full circle. So then what will happen? It will come again. It will come out of the magnetic field with the same angle, let's say theta. So we have to find out this length. If we are able to find out this length, this one, then we can find out the time spent in that particular. Okay. So what we will do, let's find out the angle emerged by this length. Angle emerged by this particular length on the center. So obviously if it is moving like this, obviously the center of the circle should be outside. It cannot be here. It cannot be here. It cannot be here. It cannot be here. So obviously it will be here, right? So let's say it is the center. So let's join these lines like this. Let's join this line like this, right? So guys, if you see carefully, if this angle is theta, this angle is theta. if I have a circle like this and I make a line from the center, what will be this angle, guys? What will be this angle? I think this is 90 degrees, right? So can I say it is 90 degrees angle? Tell me, guys, can I say it is a 90 degree angle? Yes, it will be 90 degree. So what will be this angle, guys? Because this also is a 90 degree. This also is 90 degree. So can I say it is 90 minus theta angle? This angle. See, this is 90 minus theta and this is total 90. So can I say this is theta angle? See, this is 90. Okay, this is theta angle, right? Can I say, see, this is total 90. This one is 90 degrees. Why? Like this. This is 90 degrees. 90 degrees and this is theta angle. So obviously this is 90 minus theta. Let me make here and you can understand here. So it is circle like this. So this angle is 90 degrees, right? This is theta angle. So it is 90 minus theta, right? And this angle also 90 degrees. Okay. So if it is 90 minus theta, okay, this is total 90. So can I say this also is 90? This also is 90 only. Okay. So can I say this is theta? Because total is 90. So it will be 90 minus theta. So it will be 90. Oh, sorry, it will be theta angle. So it is theta angle here, right? So same here, can it will be theta angle, guys? Tell me yes or no? Did you understand this point or not? This angle will be theta, this angle will also be theta. Let me explain one more time. See, this radius is like this, okay? The radius is here. So this angle will be 90 degree, this angle will be 90 degree, okay? This is making, so this is theta angle, right? This is theta, so this total is 90, so it is 90 minus theta, right? Now it is like this. This angle is also 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degrees. See this one. This angle is also 90 degrees. So if it is 90 minus theta, so it is obviously the theta angle. Same here, it will be theta angle. Here, this is angle theta. So don't you feel it behave like a triangle here? This one. Let's name A, B, C. So triangle A, B, C. If you can see the triangle A, B, C, can you tell me what will be the angle A, B and C? What is the angle A, B, C? See, this is the triangle, right? Okay. This is theta, this is theta. So what is this angle? I think it is pi minus 2 theta. Yes or no? It is how much? 180 minus 2 theta, right? Yes or no, guys? Tell me. What? Board is not clear. So guys, now this angle is how much, guys? Pi minus 2. So if suppose it could cover the full triangle, it could cover the full circle, it can be doing the circle like this. It will be doing the circle like this. But actually it is not completing the circle. How much angle it is emerging here? It is how much, guys? Pi minus 2 theta angle. And what is this total? That is 2 pi minus 2 theta. So it means how much angle we covered here? This is pi minus 2 and this is the imaginary circle, right? Yes or no? This is the imaginary circle, right? Okay, just now I told you if some particle is covered only theta angle, so how much the length will be covering here? Can you tell me? It will be 2 pi r into theta by 2 pi. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Arey reply yaar. So if the total time cover is t, okay, time total is t. For one revolution, how much time? One revolution. How much time, guys? T. That is equal to how much? 2 pi r by v. Yes. Yes or no, guys? 2 pi r by v. Tell me yes or no. So can you tell me for theta angle? I think it will be 2 pi r by v into theta by 2 pi. Tell me yes or no. Tell me, did you understand or not? For this much angle, see how much angle he covered, how much he traveled. This much, this angle only. So for pi minus 2 pi, the time period will be how much, guys? Time period for this one, tell me, 2 pi r by v into pi minus 2 theta by 2 pi. Any problem, guys? Tell me. What is the value of r? If you remember what is r, guys? That is mv by qv. If you, okay, then we can write time period is how much? 2 pi, sorry, it will be 2 pi m by qv, okay, into pi minus 2 theta by 2 pi. 2 pi again will be cancelled. So time period will be how much, guys? M into pi minus 2 theta upon qv. Or directly, if you know this angle, let's say this angle is phi. Let's say this angle is phi. So directly you can say time period is nothing but m phi by qb. Yes or no, guys? Tell me. If directly you know this angle is phi, so m phi by qb. Any problem here? Tell me. Any problem, guys? Okay. So. Oh, Vidya asked for explanation, right? Okay. Okay. See here, I am explaining it one more time. Let's say the field is in this box and the field direction is inward. So when the charge will go with some velocity and at an angle theta, so it will come out back with same angle. With the same angle it will come out. The theta angle, right? Theta, right? So this angle is theta, this angle is theta, right? It will come out like this. So we have to find how much time it's spent in the magnetic field. That time we have to find, right? So how will we find that time particular? So obviously the center will be outside, it will not be inside. So if this, see, this is the radius. Okay, what is this angle, guys? This angle is 90, this angle is also 90, so this angle will be 90. Okay, if this angle is 90, so obviously this angle is 90 minus theta. If you see carefully, this angle is also 90. If this angle is 90 minus theta, so obviously this angle is theta. Same here, this angle will also be theta. So this angle will be pi minus 2 theta, right? So it covered how much angle? Pi minus 2 theta angle, right? Pi minus 2 theta angle. So how much will be the distance? This distance will be, tell me. So it will be 2 pi r into pi minus 2 theta by 2 pi. Okay. In the same way, if the time period is, how much time period? mv by qv. Sorry. Yes, time period will be 2 pi r by v, that is mv by qb, so it will be 2 pi m by qb. So time period for this particular angle theta minus 2 pi minus 2 theta will be how much? The total time is this 2 pi m by qb. Okay, but it covered only this angle, so this ratio will take pi minus 2 theta by 2 pi. Now understood or not? Tell me. Tell me. Understood or not, Vidya? Tell me. Okay. Now let's say we reverse the polarity, we reverse the magnetic field direction. Let's say the charge is going like this and the magnetic field is here. Magnetic field is in this. I'm just making a box and showing the direction of the field. Field is here. Magnetic field is here. in this total box, the field is coming out like this, everywhere like this. Okay, it is coming like this in this box, and the charge is positive. Okay, so we have thrown this charge with some velocity. We projected this charge with some velocity, let's say v. So tell me, will it make the clockwise circle or the anti-clockwise circle? Tell me. I think it will make the clockwise circle like this, and it will be this time it will be like this. So it will again make the same angle as it is coming out. As it is coming in theta, it will make the same angle. If you see carefully, guys, now the center will be inside. Tell me, what do you feel? The center will be inside or outside? Tell me, guys. If the magnetic field is outside, tell me, this angle will be, the center will be inside or outside? Yes. Now because it will cover the more radius here. I mean it will cover the more circle here, right? So what is this angle, guys? So again, I think it will be theta angle only. It will be also theta angle, right? So it will be how much, guys? Pi minus 2 theta angle, right? So let's find out is this theta or not. This angle is how much, guys? Tell me, this angle, it is 90, so it will be, so what is this angle then? 90 minus theta. It will be 90 minus theta. So if 90 minus theta is this angle, so this angle is also 90 degree, so it is theta. See, it is like this. Okay. So let's make this angle. This angle is 90. Okay. This angle is 90. This angle is also 90 degrees. And obviously this angle is also 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degrees. This is 90 degree. Okay. So if it is angle theta, so obviously it is 90 minus theta. Right. If it is 90 minus theta, so this angle is how much? 90. So this angle will be theta. So here also theta. This is pi minus 2 theta. What will be this angle, guys? I think it is 2 pi minus 2 theta. Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. So what will be this angle actually? So it will be, I think it will be pi plus 2 theta. Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me, guys. It will be pi plus 2 theta. Yes? Can you tell me, guys, what will be the time period then? I think time period will be, tell me, 2 pi r by v into, how much is the angle? Pi plus 2 theta by 2 pi. Or what is r? That is mv by qv. So directly we can write m by qv into 2 pi will be cancelled. So we cancel, it will be pi plus 2 theta. So small time. Okay, guys? Tell me, understood or not? Tell me, guys. Yes. So, okay. See, guys, if instead of, let's say, we'll again take the same direction of the field. Direction of the field is inside. Okay, everywhere field is inside. Okay, constant field. So again I will project charge here, but instead of positive charge I will project minus q charge. So can you tell me, it will go clockwise or it will go anti-clockwise? Tell me, guys. See, direction of the velocity right here, direction of the velocity here, direction of the velocity here. Where the field is inside, so where is the force is here, but actually this is not the direction it will be this one. Why? Because this is a negative charge. Yes or no? This is a negative charge, so force direction will be here, so again it will go like this. So again the angle will be how much, guys? This angle will be Tell me, pi plus 2 theta. Understood or not? Tell me guys. Yes or no? You should understand how we will actually move it. Okay. If it is positive charge, how it will go? If it is positive charge, guys, it will go like this. If it is a positive charge, if it is a positive charge, it will go like this. Okay. If it is positive, if it is negative, it will go like this. If you reverse the polarity, what will happen? If you reverse the polarity, I mean, if you reverse the magnetic field, if the magnetic field is coming outward, so magnetic field is this. So if you throw a positive charge, how positive charge will go? Positive charge will go like this. If you throw a negative charge, how the negative charge will go, guys? If you throw the negative charge, it will go like this. Okay? Here it is. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So guys, you take this. Okay.